Here, working as assistant professor in IT department at Excel College. Today we are going to see about a small topic in smart agriculture, which is how to measure the length or surface of the leaf by using the graph sheet. It is a traditional method. It's used in older days. See, nowadays we use the mobile phones. We just keep the leaves like this and scan it. We can know about what the disease present in the leaf, or what are the length of the leaf, or the colors or structure of the leaf, the area of the surface, by using the mobile phones. But in traditional time or in olden days, they just trace the leaves outlines in a graph like this. Example. So in traditional way, they just simply they place the leaf and they trace the outline of the leaf structure. Okay, uh, just they have to trace the leaf only, not the stem. According to that, like a solar panel, if the large solar panel is having, it will produce the large energy. Same wise, if the leaf has the large surface area, it will be good to have the photosynthesis. Like that, in traditional method, they trace the outline of the leaves. Then they will measure the they will measure the square of the each surface, like that. uh, how much surface are covering inside the full square. The full square equal to 1 centimeter square. Okay, this is a full square. One graphs like this, full square. Okay, we have to count the full squares which present in your leaves. Okay, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this, we have to count the squares, full squares. Then remaining like this. This is a off, right? This is a off. We have to count the remaining one. For example, if it is present 80 means 80 squares, if it is present in full square means 18 into 1 centimeter square equal to 80. So in the remaining off circle, we have assumed as the like 60 means 60 into 0.5 centimeter square. Measure the half centimeters squares like this, which also comes under the, when we cut remaining of like this, it will be, just imagine as a 60. So 60 means it comes as a 60 into 0.5 centimeter squares comes as a 30. So 80 plus 30 equal to 110 centimeter square. It will be good surface area and the leaf will be produce the more photosynthesis. If it is comes under 25 centimeters below, it has not the unhealthy leaves, or it maybe have diseases. A 60 above is good, and 60 to 25 moderate. Below 25, below below 25 is a unhealthy plant. Like this, they will calculate the surface area and they will use the result of the leaves.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
எழுது
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
இப்போ இந்த ரிமைனிங் இருக்குல்ல அதெல்லாம் எத்தனை வேற பென் கலர்ல எழுது.
7 வாட்டர் கேன் ஸ்டடி பண்ணி பாருங்க.
நம்பர்ஸா போட்டுக்கோடா. வேற பென் கலர்ல போடு. அப்போ இப்போ ஃபுல் பாக்ஸ் எத்தனை இருந்துச்சு அத வேல்யூ போடுங்க. ஃபுல் பாக்ஸ் எத்தனை இருந்துச்சு 23 into 1 centimeter 1 centimeter square. ஓகேவா? அதுக்குள்ள இந்த ஆஃப் பாக்ஸ் இருந்துச்சுல அது 29 into 0.5 centimeter square. ரெண்டையும் வேல்யூ ஈக்குவல் பண்ணி போடுங்க. என்னது இது
23 14.5.
ஓகே இது ரெண்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணுங்க. சரி இதுதான் உன்னோட லீஃபோட டோட்டல் சர்ஃபேஸ் ஏரியா.